Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to a weekly Diecast episode. In today's episode, we have only three manufacturers, and also I want to add that I am almost out of models to show on the weekly Diecast, so we'll see how long I can keep the weekly Diecast up. I might have to. I'm not full 100% sure just yet, but I'm at 50 to 60% sure right now that I might need to take a month at least off to search up new stuff because I just don't want to open stuff because just to keep the weekly thing going. I really actually need to get stuff that I want, not because just to open for the channel. So, in that in mind, for now, I am good for a couple of weeks. We'll see how long I can hold this up. Because if I suddenly run out of cars, I will have to, like I said, maybe I'll have to take maybe a month off uh, filming so I can gather up some stuff. But also this month, actually when I'm filming this, this will be uploaded on August. So this one's being filmed on July. And this means I don't know. We'll see. Because in July I had a leg injury, which took a lot of my money for to get through doctors, and a lot of fuel's been used. So on so on. There's been a lot of expenses in that regard. So wasn't able to invest it in models at all. So now we got some info. Let's get to the opening stuff. So first of all, show stuff. So we have one Otherworld, this being the 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat. Very nice. This one comes in race red. I believe this is a new casting to me. I don't remember having any of these at all. What do we have even here? Okay. I don't have any of the cars back here. Maybe this black Chevelle. Maybe. Not fully sure, but I definitely don't have anything else from that back. So that would be that. Then we have one Mini GT. This is the Lancia Stratos HF number 4, the 1978 Rally Sanremo winner. So this one's pretty nice. Then we have Greenlights, 4 Greenlights. This is the 2017 Ford Shelby GT 350. So we got a modern Mustang from the Greenlight. This is from the GL Muscle series, Series 29. This was released in 2024. Here's the other car you can look up if you want to. Actually did forget to call out the Otherworld. The Otherworld is from... they have stamped this over, so can't really tell. Looks like 2020. So that's that. Then we have this one, the 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, from the Counting Cars History channel, released in 2022. Then next up we have the 2023 Chevrolet Tahoe Police Pursuit Vehicle, PPV, New Hampshire State Police, USA. So my second Tahoe for the collection. Here's the list of vehicles. You can pause and read those if you want to, if you're searching for something. It's Series 46, and this is a 2024 release. And then lastly, we have out of the modern packaging, the Barrett Jackson series, Series 16. So these are the auction cars. This is the 1972 Ford Bronco Custom SUV, and this guy was on the auction. That's how it looked in the auction. That's how it looked outside of the auction. Here's some information on the car. You can pause and read that if you want to, and that's the amount that it's sold 4. So, and this is a 2025 release. So these are our vehicles for today. My personal hype vehicles are these two. So let me just pick them up. And no, it's not focusing, but okay, I'll have to do. Okay. So this means the all goes to the end. We'll start with the Mini GT, and then we'll go through Greenlights galore. Okay, let's start with the Mini GT. So I did. Oh, there it is. When the first time this guy came out, like I didn't even like react to it, so I didn't want it, but I saw somebody else in my country get it, and I was like, oh, I need it now also. Okay, so these are small, very small rally car, metal rubber tires. We have this very tiny mirror, so need to be careful of that. There's your lensed headlights with the extra fog lights, or they're like the long beams, or whatever they're called. High beams, I think that's what they're called. We have lensed tail lights for this little guy. Black interior, as for most of the time when it's closed. We have this nice little grill piece right there, which is a separate piece, I think, because I can feel it being. It looks like it's a separate piece at least. Got a little spoiler on the top, which looks very nice. We have the Pirelli World Rally Champions main. I think that's the main sponsorship for this car. So yeah, nothing much more I can say about it. Pretty cool. I like the design. Way better than a long time ago. Opened this like blue one with red wheels, and now it's gone. Not in my collection anymore. I don't. And the other one that I kept was the Alita. I think that's what it's called. The most iconic one. So the white with the green. And this one also spoke to me enough that I was decided it was a yes, I need it. Okay, next up, Greenlights. So the Tahoe Police. This is actually going to be my first time having the Tahoe as a police car. I have it only as one version of a civilian version of it, so this will be my first police version of it. And it looks very nice. The wheels look a little bit tiny, but that only maybe me. Maybe that's in real life they're somewhat correct to it. So it is a metal rubber tires. Got the can't tell. Are the no? Those are stickers. Okay, so those are decals on stickers. So there's backlights are not lensed, same for the fronts, but this one never had lensed headlights as much as I know. I have the push bar in the front. It says State Trooper right there. License plate. I cannot tell where it is from. State Police. Yeah, but I like the color and everything, so it does look very nice. Definitely like it. I do like it. It does roll. Yes, it does. And super smooth. No issues there. Very nice. You can see how tiny that car actually is in real life comparing to this big guy. Okay. Next up, the 72 Ford Bronco Custom. Comes in our new Greenlight packaging with the turn base. So here you go. There's our so it's metal on metal, rubber tires as most of the time. Actually, I don't think I have any non-rubber tire Greenlight. So does the back come off? No, it does not. Does the hood open? No, it doesn't, unless it opens the other way. Nope. Okay, so the hood is a separate piece but does not open. The top doesn't remove, but I'm totally fine with that. Not a big issue to me at all. The details for the front are painted and same for the back. We have the Barrett Jackson license plate, an orange interior, soft top, which is the plastic soft top. In real life this would be actually soft, but this is a plastic version of it. So yeah, nice. This is actually not that bad. In the packaging was like, do I like it or not? I don't know. It does roll, so no issue. There looks like it might have a slight lean to it. As you can see by the bumper, it is a bit leanish. Yeah, I can even see it by the base. It's a tiny bit, you can see there. Here the gap here, and there's no gap on that side, so it has a tiny little lean to it. It's not a massive issue, but it will take points off of it ending up in the top 3, that's for sure. Next up, the 2017 Ford Shelby 3. Oh, hello. It apparently has stripes. I didn't even notice that it had stripes. Well, it was in this form and the plastic was covering it, so I didn't know. That's nice. I thought it was going to be clean. I would take actually the clean one, but it's an interesting surprise. And so no license plate for this guy. Looks like we will have an opening hood. Yes, we will. There's your engine details. Looking pretty nice. That shuts very easily. I want to press it down a little bit so it will be much more smoother looking as much as possible. I have this guy only, I think, as with a wide body version from Mini GT. I don't believe I have this guy as a stock vehicle whatsoever. The wheels are a bit funky on the front. I think they're a bit too wide. Or just that, or maybe that's just too thin or something. I don't know, it looks weird. It looks like a drag car from a side at least. What's the information on it down here? Nothing much. It was made in 2019. The details are all painted. There's no lensed stuff here besides the windows. That doesn't color lensed. But overall, it's not bad. I would have went for like a little bit bigger rims, but that is my only issue that I see here. But okay, that was not bad, not bad. Okay. Okay, then the hype vehicles, the Chevrolet Monte Carlo from '72. So this one's an interesting, it's like really high off the ground. I have this guy only as a lifted version and as a lowrider, so this is sort of stock or lifted. I'm not quite sure which one it is, but the lifted one is way higher than this one, so it's fine. So this is going to be a properly new version to me. You have this like matte roof. Painted details for the back, same goes for the front. As you can see, it has an opening hood, which doesn't stay open. There's your engine details. Looking pretty nice, And here, blacked out. The wheels. Oh, hello. Wait a minute. Oh, we have one tire that is different from the others. Not a big issue, I can swap that out. I have spares, so I might have this exact one. because I realized you can see by the thread that it's slightly different. So yeah, that will have to be adjusted. But overall, it is a very nice model. Let's see how it rolls. Rolls very good. No issues there also. So that is pretty nice. And then lastly, the Autoworld Ford F-150 Lariat in red race. Let's read some premium facts. The Ford F-Series pickup are the best-selling vehicles in US. The 2019 Ford F-150 is available in 6 trims: XL, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited. Oh, I bet Autoworld has made them all. Or will be making them all. Who knows? Somebody has made them all. Definitely. Okay, so here's our Lariat in a very, very clean red. Ew, what is this? Oh, it was just some dirt on it. I don't know why. Okay. Might need a little bit of a shine to it, because there's some dirt on it for some reason on the back. This guy had, well, as always, most of the time do. At least 95% of them have all painted details. It's a rare, a very, very rare like situation when it gets unlensed. There's a reason to those. So these come in metal with rubber tires, unless they're the deluxe versions. These are the premium, but there's the deluxe ones that have plastic base, plastic wheels, and a non-openable part. So this one comes with an opening back, as you can see. Shuts perfectly well, and also an opening hood, which is really, really tight closed. Wow, that is really... Oh, there it goes. Okay, there we go. Open that up. Got some details in there. So there we go. Yeah, this thing looks very, very good. I really do like it. So yeah, let's roll test, roll issues, no issues at all. So let's put you there. And that's the vehicles for today. Time to go, not time to go, but time to pick the top 3. And without a doubt, the Autoworld gets first place. Not even thinking about that. I'm gonna give the Lancia is very good. This one has the tire issue, but it's not as much an issue. That's like an easy fix, a super easy fix, just a tire swap. So this will definitely get second place. For third place, I want to put the Tahoe or the Lancia. The Lancia is actually very good, but I really, really like the Tahoe. I'll have to put the Lancia. It is way, like in detail wise, it is higher than the Tahoe. But yeah, I like them evenly at this point. So yeah, that will be my top 3. We'll see how it goes in the future with the models. I have some stuff that has come in, but no, well, some of them are really, really cool stuff. I guess if a diecast haul rolls out before this video comes out, then, well, you'll know. Because I don't know what I'll be filming while I'm filming this. So, there you have it, guys. Hope you liked the video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.